Guys, welcome to today's episode of Quickies from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. We're going to talk just a little bit about the difference between a muzzle brake and a flash hider. Which do you have on your gun and why? We have folks that come in almost daily and they're not sure of the differences, so I thought we'd put out this quick video. Listen, a flash hider is exactly as it sounds. It's hiding the flash that's coming out of the end of your barrel when you fire your firearm. So why is that flash there? Well, basically there's powders that don't get burned in the barrel. And so as those powders are still burning, once the bullet has left the barrel, you're getting this flash. If you were an individual that was in combat, it would be pretty critical for you to have a flash hider, because you don't want, at nighttime, you don't want to give away your location to the enemy. And so having a quality flash hider that doesn't necessarily give this big flash is going to be beneficial. Also, when you have this big flash out of the end of your gun at night, if you're wearing night vision, it's going to be an issue for you because it's going to create your whole screen to go white. But also, even if you're not wearing night vision, if your pupils are dilated because you're in a dark setting and this big flash comes out, it's like getting a picture taken of you when you just woke up. You know, your pupils are dilated, and so it's putting too much light into there and you're going to be seeing spots. All right, now, a muzzle brake differs from a flash hider. It's a muzzle brake, although some will also somewhat hide the flash. That's not their primary design. The primary design is to control the muzzle. So when we're firing a rifle, especially a large bore one that has muzzle rise, then what's going to happen is we can use a muzzle device to put on there that vents the gases in the direction of the muzzle rise, so that it's countering that and keeping it back down so that you're not coming off of your target and you can get quicker follow-up shots. Please post down below, let me know what you use on your rifle and why, and give us some other logic. I'm sure there's other reasons that people are using one or the other. Hopefully this helps. Talk to you all soon. Take care.